How to update Minecraft on mobile. Tutorial stuck on an old version of Minecraft and missing out on the latest biomes, mobs, and features. Updating your game takes less than a minute, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're walking through how to update Minecraft on your mobile device, whether you're on iPhone, iPad, or Android. This works for Minecraft Bedrock Edition, which is the version available on all mobile platforms. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open your device's App Store. If you're on iPhone or iPad, that's the App Store. If you're on Android, head to the Google Play Store. Step 2. Once you're in the store, tap the search bar at the top and type in Minecraft. Go ahead and tap on the official Minecraft app when it appears. Step 3. On the app page, look for an update button. If an update is available, you'll see it right there instead of the usual open button. Just tap update and let it download and install. The time this takes depends on your internet speed, but most updates finish within a minute or two. Step 4. Once the update is done, tap Open to launch the game. Minecraft will sometimes run a quick loading process on the first launch after an update. That's completely normal, so just let it finish. Step 5. Once you're in the main menu, you can confirm your version by scrolling down on the home screen. You'll see the version number displayed at the bottom of the screen. Cross-check it with the latest version listed on Minecraft.net to make sure you're fully up to date. Here's a pro tip. Go into your device's settings and turn on automatic app updates for Minecraft. That way your game updates itself in the background, and you'll never log in to find you're behind on a version again. On iPhone, you'll find this under the App Store section in Settings. On Android, open the Play Store, go to Settings, then Network Preferences, and enable auto updates. And that's it, seriously that simple. You found the update button, tapped it, let it install, and now you're running the latest version of Minecraft with all the newest content ready to explore. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video, it really does help the channel. Subscribe if you want more quick Minecraft guides like this one. And let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you're doing in the new update? I'll see you in the next one.